Welcome back to our channel Tech Kisan, and today we are going to see the Google Chrome plugins or extensions that can help us to make our life easier and faster. And these plugins are very helpful while browsing internet on the Google Chrome, and I use them on the daily basis, so I'm going to recommend it to you. Let's get started with the first plugin. So the first plugin I'm going to talk about is Grammarly. Yes friends, you must have heard about it. This plugin is very helpful for writing content on the internet. Whenever you write a post or a comment, you must have made a grammar mistake and spelling mistakes, so this plugin helps you to improve your mistakes. And when you tap on the internet, it automatically detects our mistakes and recommends us the improvements. And if we right click on it and select the improvement, it makes our document or writing much simpler and correct. Friends, the second plugin I'm going to talk about is Momentum. Yes friends, Momentum is not just a plugin but a theme or the background for your new tabs on the Chrome. Whenever you open Chrome, you can see new images on your Chrome new tab, and you can also see a clock or digital clock on your Chrome. And then friends, you can also create an account with the Momentum, and it also gives you the to-do list, and you can add your to-do things in the to-do list. But whenever you complete that, you can check it and drag it to your inbox. And friends, after dragging it to your inbox, you can also see them later. And if you want to copy that, you can also do that by going to the inbox from the drop down menu. Friends, Momentum also gives you the weather report on your right top corner for your location. If you want to select your location, then you can just click on it and select your location so that it can give you appropriate weather reports. So friends, the third plugin I'm going to talk about is Adblock. Yes friends, this is the plugins which I use most of the time while browsing on internet using Google Chrome. Friends, this becomes very handy when you are distracted with the unwanted ads on your favorite article website and blog websites. You don't have any ads blocked in this menu, but after going to some websites and refreshing the websites, you can see that there are multiple ads blocked in your Chrome extension Adblock. So friends, the fourth plugin I'm going to talk about is Floating Player. Yes friends, Floating Player is very helpful when you want to play YouTube videos in the background or while browsing on another website, but you want to continue with your YouTube video. And friends, this plugin is very easy to set up, and you just have to install it in your Chrome. It also shows you some instructions to set up this plugin. So friends, on the right bottom corner you can see that plugin symbol on your video. Whenever you click on it, it automatically detaches your video from your player to a new player on the corner, and you can extend this view to whatever size you want, and you can also drag it. And friends, to drag it on your desktop, you just have to click on the plus sign, and you can drag it everywhere you want, anywhere you want. And friends, this is also working in the desktop mode. Friends, if you close the browser or minimize the browser, then still you can see this view. So friends, the fifth plugin I'm going to talk about is Honey. Yes friends, if you don't know about it, this plugin is very helpful if you want to shop online and very fond of buying things online. This plugin applies coupons to many of the websites which you to shop online. And friends, this plugin is very easy to set up, and to activate it you have to just verify the email you provide in it. You just have to sign it with your email ID. After that, whenever you go to your favorite online shopping website or e-commerce website, this plugins automatically applies coupons to your purchases, and it is very helpful if you want to save some bucks while shopping online. So friends, you can see the list of the websites on the screen where you can apply these coupons. So friends, the sixth plugin I'm going to talk about is Download Manager. Yes friends, Download Manager is very helpful for downloading videos from your internet, and I have already used it, but friends, it also gives you a free trial of 7 days, and I have already used it. So if you haven't tried it, but friends, you can still try it with a free trial version of 7 days without any payment. So friends, the seventh plugin I'm going to talk about is Dark Reader. Friends, I have already talked about it in my previous videos. And friends, this plugin is very helpful if you want to browse at night and in the dark mode on every website. This plugin is very helpful, and you can also adjust the brightness or contrast level from the drop down menu of this plugin. And you can adjust this like whatever you want. And friends, I personally use this plugin, and if you also want to know its alternative, you can watch my previous video, which I'm going to link in the description or in the card. So friends, the eighth and the last plugin I'm going to talk about is Google Keep. Friends, this plugin is just not a plugin, it also has an Android or iOS application which helps us to keep notes or the to-do list records in our mobile phones and the browser. You just have to click on install or add to Chrome in your browser, automatically add it to your Chrome, and after adding to Chrome you just have to right click on it and go to Keep, just like I'm doing it. Then and friends, after opening the Keep, you can see your to-do list and notes, and you can also add reminders to your Google Keep. If you want to add reminder, just do it like this, which I'm doing now. And after adding your reminder, you just have to click enter to save it.